Good evening, and welcome back to the Poe Museum. I'm sure you're wondering, what's inside the box?
What's in the box?
Well, these three boxes are recent gifts to the Poe Museum from Preservation, Virginia, who 52 years ago, back in 1971, conducted archaeological excavations right outside this building, the old stone house, the oldest part of the Poe Museum. In fact, this little house predates Edgar Allan Poe by quite a bit. It was built right around 1754, but Edgar Allan Poe, whose museum this now is, wasn't born until anyone? 1809. And this is the family that used to live here, the Eggy family. So presumably, this is some of their stuff. Let's take a look and find out what it is. Well, this box is a lot of glass, a lot of broken glass. This is their garbage, their trash. Check out a nice little medicine bottle right there. Imagine all the toxins, the mercury and arsenic they used to put in these things. They cure everything, but might kill you in the process. Oh, this other box, check this out. This is their version of cigarette butts. These are little pieces of a pipe that someone would smoke. So this one dates to between 1700 and 1720. And this one, they date to between 1720 and 1750 for all these little fragments. So if some of them predate 1754, does that mean the house is older than people think it is? Or does it mean there was something else here before this house was built? Oh, here's a nice piece. This is a lady's shoe. This would have been worn by somebody 200 years ago, walking through that door, walking on these floors, standing right where we are. They would have worn these shoes. Oh, here's the other one. Didn't hold up quite as well there. Well, check these out. These are little clay marbles from early 19th century. So this kid in the portrait, or even one of Edgar Allan Poe's childhood friends, could have played with these marbles. They didn't have video games yet, so this is what they had to do. They had to make do. Well, here's another one. Oh, this is a nice one. Bones. Left over from their dinners. We can just take a look at these and find out what their diet was like. And more bones. Up. Don't forget your oyster shells. I especially like that someone 50 years ago had to number each one of the little bones. More bones. So it looks like they ate a lot of poultry and pork. Oh, this is a nice one. Looks like a leg bone there. So if you're going to have dinner, fix up some stew, you want to have your soup ladle, or at least whatever's left of it. Just when you thought we'd run out of bones, more bones. All individually labeled. And that one looks like a jawbone of something. That's definitely not a chicken or a hog. So these are just a few of the things that they dug up right here behind the Poe Museum. So next time you pay us a visit, just imagine what's still down there, just under your feet. Until next time, thanks for joining us, and thanks for your support. And also, thanks to Preservation Virginia for giving us all these awesome artifacts that they found right here on site. And next time, we'll talk more about Edgar Allan Poe stuff. And if you'd like to help support the Poe Museum, just become a member or make a contribution at poemuseum.org. Oh, and here's some of the cats doing cat stuff.